Mike had been working hard to create content for his YouTube channel, but he wanted to take his channel to the next level by sharing a playlist with his viewers, but he had no idea how to do it. In this video, you'll learn how to share a YouTube playlist on YouTube, social media sites, and on your website so you can reach more viewers in 2023 and beyond. Here's how to find and share your own playlist. There are two ways to find your own playlists. Number one, log into YouTube channel homepage and click on playlists. Now you'll see all the public and private playlists that you've created on your channel. The second way to find your playlist is to click on library. And now you see history, watch later, and playlist down the bottom here. Then you can just select your playlist. If you want to see more, click show more. If you hover your mouse over the thumbnail, it says click play all. Or you can click on the title or click view full playlists. So I'm going to click view full playlist. If you want to share your playlist, click on the arrow that says share, and here you've got the playlist link. If I copy the playlist link, paste it in my browser, you can see all the videos in the playlist. What if you want to share just one video from the playlist? Click on the three dots next to the video, click share, I can copy the link. If you want to share a single video from my playlist that still shows all the other videos in the playlist, click the title of the video. So I'm going to click on this title. Make sure you copy the long share link in the browser and not the short share link under the video. Let me show you the difference. Copy the long share link that you see in the browser for the individual video in the playlist. As you can see, it plays the video and also shows all the related videos in the playlist. Now let's test out the share link. Click on the share link, copy the link. Now I'm going to place it in the browser. Here's the video, but I don't see the related videos in the playlist on the right hand side. So don't make the mistake of copying the share link under the video. Instead, copy the long URL that you see in the browser for a specific video in the playlist. So if you want to share a video within a playlist, click on the video, highlight the long URL in the browser, right click, copy. Now if you paste it in the browser, you'll see the video and all the related videos in the playlist. What if you want to share a playlist from somebody else's channel? Let's go to the Costa Rica Travel Guide channel. Click on Playlists, click on View Full Playlist, and here's the playlist page. If I want to share this full playlist, hover over the arrow that says Share, and here's the long playlist URL. I just copy that, and you can share it on your social media sites like Blogger, Twitter, LinkedIn, Tumblr, Pinterest, etc. Or you can embed it on your blog. If you want to share a single playlist, click the three dots to the left of the video, click Share. And here you have the single video of that particular playlist. If I copy it, put it on my browser, the video will start playing, but it won't show the related videos in the playlist. Here's how to show the video and all the related videos in the playlist. Click on the title of the video that you wish to share. Now you can see the video and all the related videos in the playlist. So I'm going to highlight the long URL of that video in the playlist, click share, and then I can share it on Blogger, Twitter, LinkedIn, or all my other social media sites. Or if I click embed, I can embed it on my blog. Here's how to share your playlist link on YouTube so you can get more views. Create sections on your channel homepage containing playlists. Click on the Customization tab in YouTube Studio, click Add Section, click Single Playlist, select the playlist you wish to add. I'm going to select this one. Here's the playlist added to the section. You can also reorder the playlist on your channel homepage by just dragging it and dropping it. Then click Publish. If you click on the three dots that says Options, you can edit the section contents, view the playlist, or remove the section. And here's my new playlist added to my channel homepage. Link to a related playlist on the end screen so viewers will continue their viewing session. Click on the Content tab in YouTube Studio, then click on the title of the video you want to add an end screen to. So I'm going to click on this one, scroll down, click on end screen. Keep in mind you can add a video to the last 20 seconds of your video. Click on element. I can select a video, playlist, subscribe button, channel link, or link to an external website. If I select video, it won't show the other videos in the playlist. If I select playlist, it'll just show the playlist, but it won't show the single video from the playlist. Here it's got most recent upload, best for viewer, or choose specific video. Click on choose specific video. It says choose specific video, but I want to choose a specific video from a playlist. To find my playlist, I can click on the playlist tab or library. So I can click on library, scroll down to playlists, select this playlist, click view full playlist. Select one of the individual videos from your playlist. So I'm going to select this one, highlight the URL on the browser for that specific video. Right click, copy, paste the URL where it says search your videos. Now you can see the video here. Click on the video. Now you can see the video in the playlist has been added to my end screen. And now you can move it around, expand it. Now you can adjust this timeline to where you want this video in the playlist to appear on your video. And here's the video in the playlist that appears on my end screen. Here's how to pin your playlist link to the top of your comments. So when viewers go to leave a comment under your video, they'll see your playlist link and watch more related videos. Go to your playlist page and click on the title of the video in the playlist that you want to add to your description. Click on the title, highlight the URL in the browser, right-click and copy it. Add the title and URL in the first 3 lines of your video description. Now when someone watches your video, they'll see your playlist link under the video. If they click on that, they'll be able to watch the video in the playlist and see all the other related videos in the playlist on the right side here. When the video ends, it'll automatically go to the next video in the playlist, as you can see here. You can also embed your playlist on your blog to increase the chances of your playlist getting found in YouTube search and Google search. There are 2 ways to embed your playlist link in your WordPress website. The first method is just to embed your playlist link in your WordPress website. However, when all the videos in the playlist stop playing, it shows unrelated videos that have nothing to do with your channel. The second method is to alter the playlist embed code so it shows related videos from your channel when all the videos in the playlist have finished playing. Here's option 1. Log into your WordPress dashboard, click on Posts, click Add New. Click the plus sign, click on YouTube, paste in your playlist URL. Now you see the video from the playlist embedded in your blog post. And here's my completed blog post with the video embedded. Here's how to alter the playlist embed code so it only shows related videos from your channel when all the videos in your playlist have stopped playing. Log into your WordPress dashboard, click on Posts, click Add New. Click on the 3 dots, it says Options. Click on Code Editor. Here's my playlist on YouTube. Click the arrow, it says Share. Click on Embed. Copy the iframe code. Paste it into Notepad. You've got to copy this rel equals 0 code or this HTML code and add it to your playlist embed code. So I'm going to copy that. Go to the end of URL right here and paste it at the end of the URL. Now copy the full embed code. Go to your WordPress site, paste it in there. Now we're going to preview it. Click Preview, New tab. Here's my playlist. Let's play it. Let's scroll to the end and see what happens. As you can see, it goes straight to the next video. Now if I go to the end of this video, let's see if it plays the next one. When the last video in the playlist stops playing, it shows related videos from my channel. If I hadn't added this rel equals 0 code to my playlist embed code, it would show unrelated videos at the end of the video that was just playing. If you want to learn more ways on how to use playlists to boost your channel's visibility in 2023 and beyond, watch the video on the screen right now on how to boost your channel's visibility using playlists. You'll be glad you did.